and right now I'm with Rick. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Can you tell us something about your company, please?
Yeah, our company name is Shandong Mailebao Toys Co, and we located in Shandong Province, Chifu City. We have nearly 60 years of experience in role-playing toys and plastic toys and the beach toys.
What are your main markets?
Our main overseas market is South Korea and southeast of the Asia and Russia and some other countries.
Okay. And do you have a certification, like certificate? Like ISO?
ISO and ASTM and the CPSIA.
So let's take a look at the product now, right?
Okay.
So this is this is a best-selling product, right?
Yeah, it's a best-selling, and this one is the premium version workbench outside. And this is the electric drill, and it can turn around, and you can change the speed here. Yeah, and this is the light in the front of it. And we have the tail side here. We have the tail side. You can turn around. And the song and the secure part here, like the real tool.
What is the MOQ for this product?
I beg your pardon?
MOQ, the minimum order quantity. How many they have to order?
It have been 20,000.
20,000 is
more.
Okay, 20,000 and more. Okay, and then let's take a look at the new product.
Yeah, here.
They have many toys right now, but this is the new product.
Yeah, this is our new product. It's a dollhouse. It's the wood and the plastic material combined. In here you can see the 4 rooms, the bedroom and the living room, and here is the washing room and the kitchen. You can play 4 roles in here, and the son and the daughter.
Son, daughter, father, and mother.
Mother, yeah.
Okay, so and this is the new product that you have right now.
Yeah.
Okay, so what if the customers would like to contact you? In which way they can contact you?
You can contact us with this email.
So it's 16052831229@qq.com. Do you have a website?
Yeah. www.mailebao.cn.
Thank you, Rick, for being with us today.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.